is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN. Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We got the CPI numbers this morning, and those numbers. The initial move was to higher price. There's your 8:30 move. But from there, we've had some volatility today. You trade down to 62.90 right now. You got S&Ps negative by 14 points, trading at 62.96 as we have 1 hour left to go in trading. You check out the NASDAQ 100. Now, NVIDIA, you talk about a move, man. NVIDIA helped carrying the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100, only index currently in the green. We got some selling going on right now, man. NASDAQ 100, you're up by 67 points, up by 0.3%. You jump over to NVIDIA, up $6.35. You're at probably just off that number, but it was 4.2 trillion as of this morning. Quite a number. That, of course, carrying. And you get the other chip stocks as well. AMD up by 5.6% right now. Oracle's up by 2% right now. Amazon up by 0.2%. They'd given it up a bit. Look at Microsoft up by 0.8% right now in the green. You jump over to Apple shares up by 0.9%. Meanwhile, we'll get the S&P still off 15 points. These are the biggest companies out there. Imagine what else is happening in the S&P 500 if you have all of these equities with the biggest market caps in the world in the S&P 500 and a price-weighted index. It's negative, the S&P right now. I just went through all the big companies. Google up by 1.1%. There you go. Meta down by 1% right now, but big numbers, man, across the board. NVIDIA driving it higher. Tesla off by 1.3%. So we get CPI numbers this morning. We'll be talking about it during the program. And you talk about a move, man. First move's always not the one that matters, man. First, we had core CPI. Okay, and we'll get into this in the hour coming up. But there was a lot in here, and you cannot deny the lower price, higher yield that's coming at you right now as we have the 10-year approaching 4.5%. And yeah, we get some crypto action as you have one of the bills in Congress failing to clear a key hurdle. You got Bitcoin trading lower. But yeah, 4.49 pulling it up. 4.49, the yield on the 10-year. Take a look at that thing on a daily. As we break away to lower price, higher yield, we're approaching 4.5%. We have the dollar spiking to 98.61 right now. And that's causing some weakness in gold. With gold off by $23, trading at $33.35. We're going to be talking some bank earnings when we come back, folks. JP Morgan down by 0.8%. We got Citi and Wells Fargo as well. We got 3:15 p.m. We're talking to our man Basil Chapman. We're talking to Tim Ord at 3:30.